Hello, so today I will show you how to get diamond tools. First off, you need an iron pickaxe. By doing an iron pickaxe, you go to a crafting table, and by doing a crafting table, you take 4 planks like this and place it out. Then we need sticks. You get sticks by doing like this, 2 planks, and we have to make an iron pickaxe. I have already mined my iron, so I get this. You can't mine diamonds with wood, stone, or gold pickaxe. You need an iron one. So I will mine some diamonds here for you, and then I will show you how to make the tools. Now, when we have mined the diamonds, I will show you how to make the tools. First off, you make we can make a sword. Diamond sword is always cool and does much damage. Then we do. I didn't show you how to make it. You put one stick here and 2 diamonds right there. But if you want to make a pickaxe, we do 2 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, like that. This pickaxe, you can mine every single ore and every single block, but not bedrock, because you can't mine bedrock, but every single ore you can mine with this one. So this is the best pickaxe, if not netherite. And then we make axe. You do 2 sticks like this, and 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter which side, can be left or right. Then we make a shovel, 1, 2, and 1 in the middle. It doesn't matter which side you does it on, but it has to look like this. Then we make a hoe, like this. Then we do the spear. And the spear is like the diamond sword, but it works differently. So this is how you make the diamond tools. This is the second best tools you can have in Minecraft. The best one is netherite, but diamonds is always something. Why I can't hit this bat? The diamonds is very good. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments and I will happily answer them. Bye.